My name is Johanna Norrback-Ilvessalo. I'm a senior associate with the Attorney of Law Borenius in Helsinki, Finland. I work with private clients and international law. The protection of human rights and also women's rights need to be on all levels. And international law, of course, have their own responsibility with all the UN, it's UN in English. But also I think since we have also discussed the fact that customs need to be changed, I feel that it also has to be brought down on state level and also into schools and kindergartens and all to the political discussion in every country. I believe it's a matter for both men and women, and I would like to go away from the fact that we're talking about women as victims. I feel that we need to start talking about people and people rights and human rights instead of trying to make women into a victim. So I feel that men has a very important role in the strive for women's rights. I think the private sector has a very important role in the strive for women's rights due to the fact that we can enable women and men to be at work even though if they have small children. I also feel that we have the biggest capital actually in enterprises, so I think enterprise need to have a more and bigger responsibility and also bear their responsibility in these kinds of questions. I think you need to raise awareness of the fact that also women in a career can have a family and a private life. Even today in Finland we face the question of when is it suitable to go back to work after having had a child, and if you go back to work before the child is perhaps over a year, you're considered maybe a bad mother. There are still customs and the way that we think that it has to be adjusted. I think we all have a very important role to play, both as professionals and also in our private life, to raise awareness for women's rights.